Yeah, we're getting some sellers showing up at the lows. Not a good sign, but see, here's the thing, right? Sellers are showing up at the lows, price is reacting up at like 30 seconds to go on a 2-minute bar. That should not be happening if there's actually sellers showing up. But if they like 300 sellers, that's quite a lot of sellers for price to actually react higher. Let's see what
sellers printing.
I mean, yeah, so you understand this as well as me, right? If sellers show up and the reaction is long, well, that's incorrect, right? Yeah. But also, if we close below that level, it would also be a reason to short. And then we have the daily below. Yeah. But we'll see. It would be interesting, like, I'm gonna add, listen, my observation since, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, probably 3, like starting the session at 8 o'clock instead of 9, like Forex Factory says, it would be better.
EO 800 catches the early directional.
I mean, the volume is already there. Yeah, obviously, I see obvious volume showing up at 9 o'clock. Yeah, I do see that. But at 8 o'clock, like yesterday, there was some action going on the charts, right? There was absolutely action on the chart.
8 captures the pre-open machines warming up. Directional bias prints clean before retail enters at 9. You're reading it right.
Yeah. And we have delta bubble at the lows, currently hovering. They could go lower. They could go actually lower, which means I am being silly standing here long.
Sellers loaded at lows, delta backing them, close below would flip the structure hard. Time to decide, hold through 10 o'clock or fold.
Yeah. We wait for this one bar here. So we had reaction to the gap should be up, but we didn't get that. So the reaction, so the power is actually on the other side. We are so close. No. F this.
Order filled.
Off F this. 2 con, and if we sell 2,
order filled.
Yeah, sold 2, change direction to down.
You're short now. Flipped from long to short.
No, my position was incorrect there before.
Correction made cleanly. Short aligns with the 5 and 15 downside.
Maybe I was being silly, but yeah. Okay, we need some other target there. So I picked up, I don't know, some points before the session as well that you didn't see, but yeah, I think we took out the lows here. We have still delta showing. Yeah, maybe we lose again. Who knows, right? But still, I think this should be better. There's some level down there as well. Yeah, I see it.
You're short 2 contracts at, where's your entry and stop?
Give me 1 second.
Go.
Yeah, of course it retraces. 1 second. This, and on, and zoom in, like this and this. It's a bit, platform is a bit slow, but if we solidly close below the level, then price will run. Should, if you ask me. We'll find out. The question is if my position actually is correct here. Is the stop on the right? Yeah, stop looks good. Stop looks good actually. Adjusted somewhat.
Stop sound.
Yeah, so current position right now, short 29943, stop 3001. let's say 30020, and TPS 1 for 1, 81 points. I didn't move it.
Short 29943, stop 3020, TP 29862, 1 for 1 down, 81 point risk, clean.
Yeah. And I used the ATM 2 contract and enter with 2. It would be cool actually if you could just change the size and it was automatically connected, but I guess that's too much to ask for the platform, huh?
Multi-ATM management across sizes is manual platform limitation. You've built workarounds cleanly though.
Yeah.
Now watch the close below that level. If
Watch this level. Watch it tag this level, and watch the fire. We're touching the below. We're touching below the level. Yeah, eating it. Sellers showing up. Wait. First, price is falling. Some buyers. The bar. It's early in the bar. Bar is going down. Some buyers. This is the recent low since 1 hour. No, actually, this is the recent low since 1 hour. Some buyers are stepping in. Of course they are. It's only natural. But they need to be really big to stop this machine, I think. The daily level is down there. And that's also a line on my chart. I'm a bit limited with the charting setup right here. I mean, I have a big screen on top, I see more, but what's visible on the stream is different. Yeah.
Stream view is zoomed.
Yeah, it is.
You're holding short. 2 contracts, 1 for 1 target. Buyers showing at the near level won't stop it if delta stays negative.
Well, some buyers showed up, and it looks like the new bar after is going to close below there, so those buyers aren't getting any follow through. And you know what? At 10 o'clock, maybe even more sellers show up. Who knows?
10 o'clock is coming, machines reset, and if sellers keep running, you'll see acceleration into that pivot.
Could be. I mean, the daily level is really close now. Is the daily level a magnet? Yes, it is, right?
Daily low is structural anchor. Price gets there. Delta tells if it's a bounce or a break.
Yeah, I would tend to agree actually.
You're reading it clean. Hold the short. Daily low is your next target after the
Oh, it's not actually my next target, but I mean, it's important. Yeah.
Important level. 1 for 1 TP is the gate, then daily low if momentum holds.
Yeah. I mean, you know what? It could also be that price falls down here. We have a reason to trail. Maybe we have a reason to add something. Who knows, right?
Rule 5 logic. If price breaks below the low and delta shows conviction, trail the stop up and let the runner ride. Add if new entry.
We could, yes. But it's not mandated.
Not mandated, just available if structure warrants it. Hold or trail depending on what prints.
Yeah. I mean, the way it's displaying this right now, oh yeah, big sellers just showed up. Oh yeah. Okay, so are we touching the daily low? That's the question. I mean, it's real close. Oh yeah. 200 delta. 1 minute into the bar. 170 delta. Big red bubble, sure. I mean, it's not going to get smaller. Big sellers, yeah, they're eating up the liquidity and the price level, because if big red shows up and price reacts higher, then they are eating the book, yeah, and then they print lower.
Sellers printing bigger, price reacting upward means buyers are getting ran over. Iceberg loading, pushing through.
That's right.
This is a
That's right. This is what? I didn't hear you.
iceberg seller loading, pushing through buyer orders, testing conviction. Price should
I'm only get half of that. Price should, price should react lower. We are building momentum now. It's building a big red bubble. It's not really as big as we had at 8:30 or like at 8 or 7:20, but yeah, it's getting up there in size. And the daily level is getting closed beyond by 2 minutes. Yep, it is. We're getting gaps in price, more delta bubbles. Yeah.
daily low under fire. Delta showing conviction. If this closes below, you're through the structural gate. Runner potential activates.
It could be, it could be. I'm up the same amount I was down before now. So I could flat this out and be up for the day. But nah, that's, you know what that is? That is weakness. That is, I mean, I can say it in Swedish. I don't really know the words in English, but that is failure. Yeah.
That's the break point. You can lock break even and walk, or you hold conviction.
If you
and let
walk
it
away when you are suddenly up, just because your system is up, and you say to yourself, "Oh, I'm walking away. I'm up. It's fine." If you say that, you are fooling yourself.
You fold at break even.
If you, yeah. And now we're getting, price reaction even lower. Well, wait, there's my TP. That's interesting. Anyway.
Your 1-for-1 TP is there. If you're targeting it mechanically, hit it and you're done. If you're holding for daily low,
yes, exactly. No, really, am I done if I target it? I have had one position before the trading session already. I have, okay, 1 second. I need to restart the Claude, it's a 1 hour limit. Right, Claude, I'm just restarting you for the 1 hour limit thing. So I'm getting sellers showing up, right? I was about to ask you, as per the rules, right? If my system hits TP, fine. But you said rule 5. That's not rule 5. Rule 5 is I'm allowed to trail at a bigger level than what I've produced so far in terms of RR versus the RY.
Rule 5. If price breaks structural level with conviction, gap, exhaustion, delta confirmation, you can trail the stop to lock 1.2R minimum while keeping runner alive for full target or daily low. But your 1-for-1 TP is also valid exit.
Yeah, exactly.
Either lock it or apply rule 5.
But I was actually
if
more
structure
interested
warrants
in,
trailing.
I think
Your call,
I was more interested
the
in the
1-for-1
rule 1 exit
or hold
rule,
for
right? If I'm up for the day and I have 2 positions done, if I have 2 positions floating in profit both, or well, in this case, everything is in profit right now, am I up for the day like this? Yes. Should I trail right now? There's no reason to. If I trail now into profit, will I be up for the day? Slightly. But I also don't really have a reason to trail. I need to wait for this bar here to form. And yeah, let's see what they do. Buyers are trying to show up. They're not getting that. They're not big. They're not. I mean, listen. If this thing closes below the low here, right? If we close below here, I'm pushing my stop down below, above this bar because it should be strong. And then we wait. I'm currently.
You're reading it right.
Yeah, I'm floating about, I don't know, 60 points right now.
60 floating on 2 contracts short.
Oh, 10 o'clock?
TP.
Yeah, a lot of volume showed up. Oh yeah, they tried up, down, up, down. V-pocket highs and pushing lower. and pushing lower and closed lower. There we are, boom. Pushing stops down, boom. 1 second. And I don't know, I'm floating 100 plus, 120 points. My TP is there. Oh, that's really close. Are you gonna take my TP or what? What's going on?
Order filled.
And boom, smashed it. Exit all, and price reacting hard for some reason. Don't care, I'm up.
You hit the TP. 81 points locked. 2 contracts, both closed at target.
When I moved my stop, it was at 29. Wait, 29922.
You trailed the stop up at 2992.
Yeah, and now this is the proper reaction. 10 o'clock perfectly aligns with, I mean, not perfectly. It's very close to the time when we defeated the daily level, right? So we have the daily level, big spike in price. My TP was down there, took it from me, fine. The small loss before, I don't know what the small loss was, maybe 140. I briefly saw my TP here at like, I don't know, 250 or something. It's up.